Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So yeah, to start off today, I'm saying there's not really too much going on today in the market. So hey, top of the morning, mom. Top of the morning, Blouse win. Yeah, like as I was saying though, not too much going on in the market. We kind of chilling today. Oh, hold on, the spy's on a 30 minute. Let's get that to a 4 hour. Right in between this support and resistance. Hey, shout out to the 5 people that came through. Smash the like button. Top of the morning, Cynthia. Yeah. Honestly, today I'm just looking at playing support and resistance because I think we'll probably just be range bound. Hey, top of the morning, Big Reg. Top of the morning, C Smooth. Need to hydrate. Is Spy already at support? It's pretty close. I would. So, if anything, me personally, this trend line I drew, first off, it's not perfect because I cut through starting it. I like just drew this probably like within the past hour. And I could see this being a wick. I could see us touching, pulling back to touch this 163 area. So honestly, we could potentially move support here, but no, it's close to support. Here, let's see. Hey, top of the morning, Henry. Took L's yesterday because I jumped out of my spy calls early. I know how you feel. Like a lot of the times. So yeah, a lot of the times with the spy, it can be a little difficult. Like a lot of times you may like if you're day trading, you may need to get in and out, like cut it whenever direction goes, or like wait for the kind of second formation because a lot of the times you'll get like a kind of like double top on the lower time frame or something like that. So a lot of times it'll serve you to kind of wait because if we go back and we look at yesterday and how it was, here let me let's make this a little bit bigger. Where was market open yesterday? Was yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was Monday. All right, so market opened right here on this candle. We kind of shot up. We pulled back. Oh, actually, we pulled back directly into this demand zone that I was trying to wait for. So honestly, if we next time if we just kind of just stick to the plan, that probably would have played out. Yeah, because I remember I saw it on the 15 minute, right? And I was like, oh yeah, let's watch this 15 minute right here. All right, let's wait to pull back. We kind of like got a pullback right here. So I was like, oh, maybe that was a pullback. But then we ended up pulling back to where I drew the demand zone. And had we entered anywhere in this demand zone, yeah, it ended up going crazy and running up to just below 270. It's kind of nice. I don't see anything like that on the lower. I don't see anything like that right now. If we were trading on a 15 minute, like just looking at it, the new range is actually from here. So if we're basing this off a 15 minute chart, a 30 minute chart, actually if we base it off a 30 minute chart, that extends the range. Let's see about a 1 hour. All right, if we base it off a 1 hour chart, this is the current range. right here. And we're still waiting on some things to be established before we kind of move on to the next. But yeah, this zone is likely not the most valid. All right, let's see. Do you see MSTR going up today or anytime soon? I don't see any reason why MSTR would go up right now. Bitcoin's not going up right now. They're not doing anything that makes it go up. So no, it's like I actually had there being a lot of room for MSTR to continue to fall. So if we look at MSTR, no, yeah, I don't necessarily have it going up. And wait, hold up, this is a 4 hour. Yeah, they've recovered a lot from the bottom. If we get Bitcoin over here, though, let's see how Bitcoin is looking real quick. It's a little different because Bitcoin is 24 hours. Here, let's go to like a weekly versus MicroStrategy weekly. Low-key is kind of tough to really see. But yeah, they definitely like pushed up more this past week than Bitcoin. So I would say they may have fallen out of sync. All right, let's see. Hold up. Hey, RGCs are top of the morning. D-Scurve, good morning. Breeze, good morning. Azure, good morning. Rodney, good morning. Classic Bull. Yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me look at that again on the SPY. Yeah, you got a bull flag. But yeah, my thing is, yeah, it pulled back to that demand zone I first targeted yesterday. And let's see how long it took to do that. So it took 2 hours for the entry to actually occur. So it's like pretty much like 30 minutes before yesterday's stream ended. That was the opportunity to enter the trade yesterday. That's something to kind of look at. All right, let's see. Aaron, good morning. Master DRC, top of the morning. Really tempted to buy a put on Tesla. Almost did yesterday and should have. What do you think? I see support at. Yeah, let's take a look at Tesla. All right, so yeah, Tesla is a confusing one. There's current support would be at 226, but yeah, if it breaks that, yeah, it can go down. So the next kind of level of support, I would say it might be like 222, but it wouldn't surprise me if it just kind of continued through that. The next level is going to be about 215, but we have this trend line here, and I could see it retesting that to the downside. My next major level for Tesla is going to be about this 204 level. So that would be somewhere I considered like similar to how I want to say I grabbed a call somewhere in this region and rode it. Maybe we rode it up to here. Oh yeah, I remember what I did now. I grabbed like it was like a 270 call that we grabbed down here. Or I think we grabbed it maybe about in here, but grabbed the 270 call, rode it up to like in this area. So that would be an area I would look to do something like that again. But yeah, I can see Tesla coming down some more. Here, let's see. Okay. Reddit was volatile yesterday. See, I always am interested in Reddit. It's just like when I look at the option chain, it's like, yo, I'm not having that. Okay, so let's drop down to 30-minute. Where we open yesterday? All right, so we opened right here 121. Come down to about 120.41. Coming into the end of the day, or coming towards the last hour, spike up to 142. Yeah, that's very volatile. And then end up closing the day out pretty dang close to where it started. That's crazy. Hey family, is Intel, and you know a lot of people got like trapped up here too. A lot of people lost money up here. Hey family, is Intel looking good for here, let's see. I feel like today for the most part is a non-event, but look, yeah, I would say like here, let's zoom out a little bit. So if this is support and resistance, we got the break of resistance over here. Now we're getting a retest. Should this hold? Yeah, ideally the retest would be the entry for the continuation. Ideally, assuming that this is going to be the area at retest. It looks good. So if this holds up, yeah, this is where you will get the continuation. But it's like really just have to see. All right, so market is open. Yeah, market's open. Here, let's see. Hey, Jarvel, good morning. Big time, good morning. Josh, good morning. Will it allow you to do options at night? No. So you can enter trades, but they won't be filled until market open. Like, if you put in an order at night, it won't be filled until like right now. And that's only assuming that the prices are the same, but the prices usually change. So it does not typically, it doesn't work like that. All right, let's see. Hey, Josh, good morning. Oh, wait, you already, okay. Apple and Tesla don't like me calling in them. Coke don't got fizz either. SNDL, CGC. Appreciate that. M said, so we might have to revisit what you just said. That's a lot to drop right at market open. All right, so one thing I will say, I like SPY either at this 564 or 563 area. For upside potentially, unless it just breaks and goes to the downside. Yoko, top of the morning. Isaac, good morning. Young Zoe, good morning. Feel a down day. Well, honestly, I could see like not too much going on today, but typically if nothing happens, like if there's nothing going on, and if the market's not going to stay sideways, and if there's no bad news, typically the market will move more up than it will down on those days. Because if there's nothing bad going on, they start pricing in the future. And that's when things kind of shift up. My life be like, good morning, good morning. Derek, good morning. Oh yeah, I definitely already switched to live chat. Apple will have some action today. Why will Apple have action? Is there a reason, or are you just like, is it like something you could feel? Oh yeah, no worries. Oh no, yeah, I got QBTS on here. It's like it looks like it's starting to try to play out. But yeah, it's like that move. That move was not gonna last in the capacity that it was. It's still riding this trend in the upside though. Still want to see that pull back on QBTS. Timothy, good morning. Marv, good morning. Wow, the QQQ contract I was watching before market. Hey, that's how it happens. That is how it happens. Video Rillo, buenos dias. QQQ 476 put. Let's pull up the Qs. Pull it up in this Tesla spot. Is that the one we got yesterday? I got stopped out of that. No, it was a 470 put yesterday. But yeah, there's still a gap down to like that 471 level. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens with that. Been wanting to bet up on Tesla, but it's so much. Yeah, right now Tesla is very much so in a downtrend. I would have a hard time betting that up. So if I would have taken profit at like 230 or at 30%, yes. But it didn't go to the profit target. So if I was looking at it from a standpoint of profit target, no. So I actually took a loss just because I was like, oh yeah, let's see what happens. But maybe I might need to start locking in at 25 because I noticed a lot of them still go to like 25 or so. And they may just not go all the way to the, like the longer the trade takes, like if it's not continually moving, it is, I don't know, it's like the contracts lose their value because it's like as the VIX was coming down, the contract was losing premium to that. Here, let me look at the, hold on, I got Nvidia crossing something. Let's see. All right, so Nvidia is at support, or what I have is support. So it's either going to like hold from here, maybe try to retrace, or things could get nastier. But yeah, let me take a look at Moomoo, see how things are looking. All right, so where's the QBTS? All right, so up 55 on the QBTS today. That's good. Still down on it, but that is my most lively position at the moment. But it's still like still has some pullback space. Yeah, I'm curious if this is just going to be the dip or we're coming back. Because actually everything is kind of correlating today. Or yeah, everything's moving together. And it's to the downside. Maybe I should start doing the end of the day swings again. It'll depend. How you down on? I took the same put and I'm up. Oh no, I closed that put out yesterday. Like I got stopped out. So that's what happened. But yeah, if I were still holding on to the put, I would be up on it right now. It was but it's like it ran up here. I had the stop loss set. So it was like some point probably around like when it ran up to 44, 485, I got stopped out. All right, so the SPY is back kind of at this it's kind of back at this level. So let's see. Hold up. There we go. Let me see what kind of account I have. Let's see. So I'm on Robinhood today. Let's see. I gotta see what kind of account I have. Okay, I got a margin account because I see I got level 3. Okay, that just kind of influences how I'm going to trade. All right, so Tesla at 224. That's what's up. Hey, top of the morning. Good morning. Hey, come on in and hit that like button. 100%. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, you said pick one strike above, and 1 week later. Yeah, I still would have been up on it though. Yeah, would have been up. All right. Okay. I like Webull charts better to watch movement. Oh yeah, 100. Like when it comes to charts, Webull or Robinhood, yeah, Webull's going to be a lot better. All right, so here, let me actually see. The VIX has dropped. Oh no, it popped a little bit today. Let's see. All right, so right here, I'm actually gonna grab a day trade. I'm gonna grab a. Oh, hold up. Oh, it's just a day trade warning. I'm gonna grab a 568 call. See if it. Okay, I got filled at $46, and I'm gonna be very close with this one. So I got in about right there. Ideally, we ride at a couple dollars. We'll see. Yeah, I can't. I don't think I'll have the time to really share this one in the Discord. But yeah, this one's intended to be a quick day trade. All right, let's see. All right, let's see. Robinhood still asking me to do a phone knowledge test. Oh, that's wild. I need to switch to Robinhood because they're so except for the regulatory fees, yeah, there's no fees because but there's like it's 3 cents per contract as opposed to everywhere else it's gonna be like a lot more. All right, so the SPY call is up 10%. I'm not gonna lie, I usually have a pretty hard time with the dailies and knowing when to actually make my move. Oh, this is a 15-minute chart. Hold on, let me go up to a 1 hour real quick. No, we'll still leave in the same spot. All right, let's see. Oh, you said SPY for 162. No, I had a SPY 5. I had a SPY 568 call because I think this should be support. So I want to see kind of how it holds here. Let's see. I feel like we got comments all over the place. All right. So Tesla plunged today. It's possible. Tesla is, hey, it's coming down. Yeah, definitely coming down right now. But yeah, we'll have to see. I feel like it may start, then it may hold up after people kind of get on it, and then after that, I think depending on what the Fed says tomorrow or what the Fed does tomorrow, that'll kind of determine some things. Where's my mouse at? Oh, there it is. Added it, put to my watch list before I went to bed, and it was basically there. Yeah. Femi, good morning. Would you mind taking a look at Fubo? Here, let's see. There is still not really much to say on Fubo. It's the same story it's been. Yeah, it's still like pulling back. I don't have anything to say about it. It's pretty much consolidating. Like it's like there is a larger move coming, but yeah, there's a larger move coming on Fubo. But it's just consolidating until that larger move comes. Like there's nothing really to say right here. All right, hold up. All right, so I might have to. Yeah, it looks like I may have to cut out of this spy call. Looks like they stole a quick 12 from me. Looks like I had an opportunity, but yeah, that looks like straight bearishness. So I'm gonna cut out, take my L. Yeah, I got. Oh yeah, now they're pushing it up. They better not. Wait, is this a okay? Yeah, so I took an L on that spy call. That looked like this looks like straight bearishness, and honestly, it looks like it could continue. I mean, we are on the 15-minute, but yeah, this looks like it can go down a lot more. Actually, hold up. We straight up. Okay, so we're tapping into a 15-minute demand right now. Let's see if that's yeah, it's kind of a 30-minute demand too. All right, so yeah, just ripped through one demand zone, came back to test another. That 604 will probably play as resistance now though. So that might be an opportunity for a short. But yeah, as of right now, it's looking like depending on what time frame you're looking at, it's looking like, hey, we are now once again in a downtrend on a 30-minute chart. But we'll probably pull back up to this area, and this is where the play is going to be today. Just kind of based off this. So if we're day trading, anywhere from this, let's say anywhere from like 564 up to about 565, that's going to be where the short is today. So we'll probably pull back up there, and that's the play. All right, let's see. Maditon, hey, what's up? Oh, did I miss some stuff? Yeah, I did. Okay. Intel did it? Yes, it did. Yeah, Intel held support. Good stuff. Even when the rest of the market did not. Let's look at Meta. Ooh, Meta. Keep an eye on that. Did you see that you can now bet on men's college basketball on Robinhood? No. I might not have that yet. Let's see. Nah, I don't see anything to do with it right now. On which instrument? 66 per contract on Thinkorswim. I be trying to hit them at the end of IQ So Real. Just got here. What's the rundown? So the SPY call, I was playing a pullback to yesterday's support or this old demand zone, but yeah, it's not valid anymore. So now I'm looking for something kind of like this. So yeah, we just came down, pulled back here. So now ideally, maybe we get like some kind of consolidation. We come up here, and ideally we either come back down here and go up, or we continue down further after and make some sort of new low. So that's what I expect to play out today. But it could definitely take its time. Like right now, we're trying to make our way back up to this area. It can take its time, but this is what I think is going to play out on the day with the SPY. So now it's like, if we can just play patience, and it might be like towards the end of the stream that like I think coming into this area up here is going to be a good area to take a short. Fed is today at 2. No, the Fed's tomorrow. Okay, I'm glad you put a question mark behind that. I was like, what? I was like, no way. But yeah, the Fed's tomorrow. So if we take a look at Forex Factory real quick. So this is today, March 18th. If we go over to tomorrow, you can see the Fed funds rate, economic projections, the statement, and the press conference tomorrow. Let's see. Also, we should look at a call play on Palantir. I mean, we can look at one for you. Oh, hold up. Yeah, I'm not quite there yet with the Palantir call. Here, let's bring this to the same time frame as oh, we already did it. Okay. So I guess I was looking kind of for a similar like mirrored image of this SPY play on Palantir. And what I was seeing was this demand over here. Maybe it's the 1 hour chart. Let's see. Oh no, that's not even there on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at, hold on. It's reacting pretty strong right there. Oh, there's actually demands up here. Okay. All right. All right, so at a demand zone right here. Looking at it. Oh wait, this is the 30-minute. So this would be your next short up here on Palantir to kind of continue. So the SPY the call would be from where it is currently. Short would be up at 85 to 86. ACHR still mess with. Haven't touched it in a minute though. Rebel Gamer, top of the morning. Hold up. Can you take a look at CTM? Here, let's see. Oh, wait. I definitely typed that in wrong. Didn't we look at this yesterday? I don't see anything new here. Like, it's trending up on the weekly, but there is nothing that it's like I actually see like a downtrend on the 4 hour. And it's like you could possibly be breaking that, but you would have to kind of see. But as of right now, it's trending down. RSI is like chilling in the middle. So as of right now, there's not really much to see here. Let's see. SPY back to dropping. Yo, if it keeps dropping, it'll keep dropping. Dang, I wish I still had that QQQ put from yesterday. Let me see how that's doing. Oh yeah, it just hit the target too. That's so annoying. All right, so it did say it was a swing trade. So maybe, all right, that's going to be something I have to look at. So maybe if it says swing trade, kind of disregard the first day unless it hits the target early. I'll start looking at that. I'm trying to like figure out the best way to kind of go about derive. Cause yeah, it definitely hit. It definitely, man, that's wild. Oh, let's see the SPY put from yesterday. Was this a day trade? Yeah, it was a day trade. This I think. Oh, that hit his target too though. That's wild. Okay. Can you take a look at SoFi? Yeah, let's do that. So SoFi is currently in the process of breaking its trend line. Actually, that's not even demand. So actually, SoFi is still actually kind of bearish if you look at it on a 4 hour, because the current range, this is the current range. And until it gets above this about like 1260 and holds above that, it's bearish. Hold on, I got some kind of, oh yeah. So yeah, all right, things aren't looking good. So it looks like Young Zo kind of called it. Hey, we're still bearish. Honestly, hold on. I think I'm gonna close out everything except for my. Actually, hold on. I'm not gonna close out the. Let me check in on Google real quick. But I'm gonna close out. I'm gonna probably close out my Apple. Oh, you know what? I'll probably close out Google too. Yeah, this stuff does not. Yeah, I'm gonna close out the TTD. It's like I feel like I'm just tired of looking at it. I'm gonna close out the UPST. Taking nasty losses on both of these. And then apples are kind of holding up. Let me take a look at Apple real quick. I don't know what's up with Apple. My Apple calls are holding up better than I expected. But yeah, let me see where is my Google. Oh, that's in Robinhood. 1 second. Yeah, I'm gonna close out the Google. And then I'm gonna alert the family. It's a little tough to say all those, so I'm gonna just say close out of all my calls except for the Apple calls. Everyone just closed out of all of my calls that I have except for APP. Is it? I think it's AAPL. And took an L. All right, so I'm out of everything except for Apple. For some reason, Apple is still in the green right now. All right. And I'm here for it while it wants to. All right. Still pro GME, not gonna lie. What's causing the drop in the SPY? I had already put supported. Yeah, me too. Yeah, this is I guess it's just continuing. Yeah, I have no idea. So yeah, I close out my call. Actually, I'll probably close out Apple too, because Apple may just be providing opportunity. But yeah, it looks like it wants to come down too. So I'm gonna. What is. Also, okay, let me alert the family on that too. So yeah, I just closed out of the Apple calls as well. So I am not holding any calls. Just took an L on Apple calls. Paid or sold out for 0.79 per share. There we go. I forgot to post the picture. There we go. All right. So I'm not attached to anything. Let me take another look at Tesla real quick. So mad. I feel you. Yeah, right now here. Let me go up to a 4 hour. Thing is, this could all still just be liquidity as well. And let me go to a Meta. This is wild. So yeah, if Meta like loses this area and doesn't come back up, yo, things could get nasty. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm hoping for QBTS to kind of be my hero, because I took L's on all of those calls. Good morning. How do I get a split screen on my monitor? So if you're trying to do it on a trading view, you gotta click on this thing. It might look like this for you. You gotta click on that and then pick your layout. But you don't have that on the free trading view. You only have it on the paid ones. That's exactly how I'll short the spot if that happens today. Oh, I am very behind on these. All right, so I'm gonna. Hey, appreciate you, Hakeem. So I'm going to skip ahead because otherwise I'm gonna be behind all day. All right, all right. Levels for SPY. Um, yeah, I 560 is current support. Yeah, it's current support. Yeah, we. Yeah, so yeah, that's gonna be current support. But hey, hold up. On the 4 hour, let me see. Yeah, so if we break this, what is this? If we break this 549.46 and we get a candle close below that, we're back in the downtrend on the 4 hour. But yeah, right now the range on the 4 hour chart on the SPY, it's a pretty large range. It's a $10 range. It's pretty much from this 569.74 down to 559. But honestly, I do feel like this would probably be a solid range, and we might be able to pop back up from there. But here, I'm actually gonna like slide it over, and I'll probably pull up Derive just to see if they got any interesting trade ideas or anything as well. Here, let's see. Will the FOMC change anything? It's very well possible. Young Zo, I'm live on the chat. It's just it takes time to look at the charts and see what's going on. So it's like by the time I like look at everything else, there'll be a bunch of other messages. Everything dropping hard except for QBTS. Yeah, it'll come down. It'll come down. JPM still up too. JPM looks ready to push up. Please look at QQQ. Yeah, QQQ is it's getting a little harder because of here, hold up. Because of I mean, I see Meta selling off kind of hard, but yeah, I could see us coming back to this gap on the Qs. I can see us pulling back to like 171, 172. Oh yeah, that put from yesterday, it's gone 90%. That would have been nice. All right, JPM. Here, let's see. Apple is the only green. Yeah. Okay, now it's trying to go up more that I closed it out. As long as it doesn't get below 2 or above 216, I'm still chilling. If Amazon goes below 189, would you consider a call? Yeah, we can take a look at Amazon. Hold up. I think the next level that I was looking at was 187 down to 184. So I would still need to see a little bit more at 189. Because there was like a level of demand here, but that level of demand's already been broken. Whereas the next level that has not been tapped into is from this like 187 down to 184. So that's what I would look for on Amazon. Hold on, y'all. Let me I'm I'm gonna look at Derived for a little bit. Something on the SPX. Yeah, hold on. Let me actually, I want to actually look at it. So SPX. Okay. Yeah, that's not happening. Oh, okay. I'm looking at stuff. Okay. All right, you said, can you look at Coke? Let's see. So Coke went up, hit resistance. Now it appears to be heading towards support. Coke is between the last little range or the last two levels we kind of talked about. Actually, I might, like, you could potentially slide this down here. So I would just say right now it's hugging 69 and 70. There's not really too much to say beyond that. Yeah, it's hugging 69 and 70. Tie at top of the morning. We're looking a little bearish, but I think we may be chilling now. Yeah, it's like whenever I think I have a grip on what's going on, hey, I don't even know right now. So it looks like we could be coming back down, but honestly, to be real with you, I am uncertain, and I'm just here trying to weather the storm. Hey everyone, let's hit that like button so we don't have to go to El Salvador. Oh yeah. Hey, the sooner we do it now. Yeah, we don't want any El Salvador scares. You know. I don't know if y'all have looked up the prison conditions, but it's not favorable. So be sure to smash that like button if you want to save the chat from going to El Salvador and having to share a prison cell with a bunch of other convicted felons. Hey, PB Bounds, good morning. Achuhu, good morning. Calls right now are dangerous. Honestly, yeah. Yeah, I was, it's like I have more comfort in the calls, but yeah, now I'm going to have to, yeah, it's like, still gonna have to keep playing the puts. Honestly, hold up. Let's look at Apple for potential downside, cause it's holding up. I'll leave Apple alone for now. I don't really. So my next short on Apple, honestly, is probably like. Yeah, if it gets up to 116.74, that's my next short on Apple. Up to like 218 or so. Tomorrow is Powell. No, there's nothing today. Hey, peace and blessings, All-Star. Can you look at DG? Dollar General. Okay. Yeah, let's take a look. I mean, it looks like some kind of sloppy trend possibly over this way. Yeah, I don't know what to say about that one. Looks like there's resistance at short-term resistance at about 82.50. But yeah, I don't have anything to really say about that. There's this trend line. I would say this is a pretty solid trend line. But then this is just a fake out over here, but it's trending up on the 4 hour. Play the market like chess, trying to. But do you win that game of chess? Is the real question. All right. Oh yeah. Drop those likes. I'm not trying to. I really would hate to have to get the boys in El Salvador to come over and retrieve you. Convicted is wild. Help, I'm in. $13 call in Mara. Honestly, calls do not seem like the move right now. Let me see. Where's Mara at? I mean, that's not too far off, but I don't see any reason for that to occur. Yeah, because Bitcoin is moving down. There are no known catalysts. I've noticed much activity in pre-market. Is it possible to... You can execute limit orders, but not options. You can execute, like, you can actually purchase, buy and sell shares, but yeah. Can we take a look at, what is it, Bank of America? It's in an uptrend. I would say beyond that, I don't have much to say either. Yeah, so you got an uptrend right there. This would be the next area of supply from this 42.25 to 41.64. So honestly, in this situation, all I would do if I really... This isn't a short-term play. This is more like a add to it over time. So this is one I would buy on pullbacks and then just kind of let do its thing. Hold on. Hold up, y'all. All right, let's see. Okay, I'm reluctant to enter looking at RSI and MACD, even though it looks good for direction. I'm assuming you mean NVIDIA. I would say next support on... So NVIDIA is kind of at a level of support right now. And you could call this level down to 114. Like, it's in a support kind of zone. But yeah, I would say if it loses that 114, the next area looks like about 113. Then about 111, 112. Any swings today? Not that I see of yet. Just because I'm not trying to grab anything in the middle. And it's looking like the pullback areas that I would have enacted on have actually kind of been broken, but they haven't quite reached the next pullback area. So yeah, I'm just not trying to be caught chasing. It'd be nice if QBTS decided, hey, I'm gonna pull back too, but which it kind of did, but it's also kind of not. It won't let me get out of my Palantir calls because it's flagging me as a day trader. I would take a look and see if I would take a look and see what it says, because A lot of times, even if you haven't made a day trade, you will still, like, it'll still say, like, give you a day trade warning, or like just warn you. So I would read what it says. Like, if it says you only have, like, if you do this next trade, you will be flagged as a day trader, then, don't make it. But if it's just saying, hey, this will go towards your trades, then I would personally take it, because it gave me that same warning today. But I know this is the first day trade that I've made. So you can only make 3 in a 5-day period. So if I made 3 today, I couldn't make any more till next Monday. If I made 1 today, 1 tomorrow, 1 the day after, I wouldn't get another one until a week from today. I wouldn't get another one till a week from tomorrow, and I wouldn't get the last one back till a week from that third day. All right. I'm new to TradingView. I have SPY up now. Could you do a quick walkthrough on your settings? Okay, so I have a video, but like the full walkthrough, I would have to like take some stuff down. So I'm going to point you to this video, or this like I got like a full on playlist, but like it's legit like the first video in the first few minutes where I go over how to set up TradingView. So that link in the pinned comment, that first video, I think there are even chapters. Let's see. Yeah, there are video chapters and everything. So yeah, the first like 4 or 5 minutes of the video is exactly how to set up the charts. It'll show you how to do all that. I think even the indicators. Let me see. No, that's how to set it up. Let me see. Okay, maybe not the indicators. Let's see. Oh, Okay, so actually, if you're trying to do the tools and stuff, wait, is that just the tools? Take a look. Well, here. Let me try on this last chart, because actually that's just how I set up all my charts and the tools and everything. Let's see. So here, let's see. You said so yeah, if you want to see the settings and stuff, like all the settings and stuff, I would say watch that video. But indicators, the ones I use are going to be it's going to be, if you just type in RSI. Wait. RSI is going to be relative strength index. If you type in EMA, it's going to be moving average exponential. And those are the only ones I use. I just use like 3 different EMAs and then the RSI. Can you take a look at Lucid? I want to short it. I hope there's not a short on Lucid. I think my wife just bought like 100 shares of that. Oh, she's probably doing all right. Okay. I think she bought in at like 213 or so. So yeah, glad to see that's popping up today. But here, let's see. So there's not like a direct like supply zone or anything right here. There is resistance at like this 242. So we'll probably zoom out a little bit further. There is actually a gap that needs to be filled up to 261, as well as a gap to 302. On the daily chart, the next supply zone isn't to 326. And let's see. Let's go to the 4-hour chart to see if there's another one before then. On the 4-hour chart, the next supply zone is around that like 260 up to 398. This 4 chart layout so clutch. I feel that. If you use margin, okay. Some of these just popped in here. Let's see. Hey, no problem, Aaron. 560 trying to hold, but I feel you. I definitely feel you. Like, I'm not trusting anything right now. Like, I want to stand up. I'm tired of sitting down and like leaning back. Let's actually, yeah, get that up. Do you see if IBIT has fun? Wait, what? Has fun short-term bottom for a month? I'm not fully sure what that means. Oh, found. Okay, never mind. I got you. I don't think it's found short-term bottom. Honestly, I wouldn't think there was any short-term bottom until at least this 44. But no, I wouldn't necessarily say, oh, we found a short-term bottom. Okay, no new suggestions. Here, let me pull up the SPX one more time. Just so, where was it? So it was up here. Okay. Hold on, yo. Here. Let's see. Let's see. Spot just tested. We will see if it bounces above 162. Yeah, we'll see. Possible double bottom. Here, let's actually, let's go back down to like a 30-minute. Or let's go to a 15. Or yeah, let's go to 5. See. This does not look like it's recovering to me. It looks like it might come down even more. Glad it didn't let me get out of Palantir working its way up. Where's Palantir? Close my SPY at break even by mistake. I think it's coming down more. Long call on Intel wouldn't be a bad. So my only thing about Intel is just the overall market, not necessarily what Intel was looking like. Because Intel, like, it looked like it was doing a retest this morning, which looked good. But like the overall market, that's the only thing that I wouldn't like about Intel. But yeah, it looks like, honestly, right now with Intel, it looks like the break and retest is holding up too. So yeah, we got the break over here. We got the retest like kind of around the open. And yeah, now it's doing well. All right, so we'll see how this, I guess the SPY holds up at, I guess it's like 680 level. JPM feels it's that resistance if you were looking on a 15. I'd be hating when I'm trying to buy another contract and down actually. Oh, that's not fun. All right, let's look. So, VIX is up a little bit. PCU's at 80. Things are out of whack. So those like little indicators that I use aren't even like really too good to help me right now. Hold up. Who was it? D-Scurv? Hey, Uber is down too today. And Tesla is down. I mean, Tesla's down even more, but Uber's down. And Tesla's down. Yeah, they haven't been usually it's like a push and pull, but they're both just going the same direction today. Man. I was able to short SPY on, or to short on SPY and QQQ. Nice. The one day they are mirroring. Yeah, it's kind of wild. Yeah, so to me, it's looking like SPY is not gonna hold up. But also, wait, hold on. I'm on a 5-minute. Let's go to a 10. This could just be consolidation for a move up. But on the SPY, it looked like a lot of candles, like it was going to come down. But yeah, right now we're just consolidating, so. Oh, hold up. My wife's trying to make food. I might want some. Oh, wait, hold up. They killed the Clean Air Act completely for the first time since the 60s. Do we have any kind of idea what impact that would have? All right, let's see. right, let's see. I feel like I need a nap on the lowest of keys. Yo, okay. Automotive companies will be able to make gas vehicles without emissions compliance. I look for Ford and Stellantis to benefit. Interesting. I feel like I need a nap. He said, clip it to chat. Nah, yeah, it's like I don't on the highest of keys. I have no idea what clip it to chat means. Or I know what clip it means, but I don't know what like clipping it to chat is. But yeah, very very much so. Yeah, it's like my eyes feel tired. Like it's like I rested all right last night. But yeah, I'm like feel like I need a nap. But I'm probably not going to take one. I probably just need like some good food. I might just be like might just have like a low blood sugar or something. I don't know. Now with the SPY rebounds and Apple comes down, we know we're I would say we're in a wild world. I don't like just off of like what we were looking at yesterday. It's like everything was up, everything was down, but they weren't up and down at the same time. So you had all this push and pull, which is what's personally making things so difficult for me. It's like it's one thing when you're focused on one thing. But yeah, Intel's going crazy. Here, let's see what the next level is for Intel. It's kind of approaching. So it's either going to be this like 2654. Yeah, it's probably going to be like that 2654. That's the top of the next level. It could also just be kind of where it is right now. Okay. Now okay. Here, let's see. Let's take a look at Ford. Actually, I want to take a look at Ford over just over the years. Let's go to a monthly chart. That was 2020 when they fell to $3, honestly. And then 09 that's wild. I feel like I remember them being in this like $8 to $6 range. They were at 9. I remember them being in this like $8 to $6 range when I used to look at them. They're still holding up all right. But they had got up to like $20. That's kind of wild. Yo, I want to take a look at Meta, see how that's holding up. All right, so they got their 13 moving average on the monthly right there. See how they're doing on their weekly. They're trading below it on the weekly. Let's see. They are. All right, so this it looks like there's a good amount going on at this 550 kind of area. So if we come to that, I think there's a lot of strength at that 550 area. Okay, so those puts are done. Um, what was I gonna say? Derive hasn't really put anything out today. Just GLD and SPX. But the GLD, here, let's look at GLD real quick. Okay, SPY is trying to go up again. So GLD was 281, expiring tomorrow. Low probability. Yeah, I'm not messing with that. All right, I'm gonna get on Moomoo. Look for some news. All right, so the SPY, it's trying. It looks like it's trying to. It's trying to go up now. Let's go to a 10. Yeah, so if it comes back up to this, once again, the short level is 564. So you might have a chance to ride it up to the that 564, 555. Could grab a little short there potentially. But yeah, we just gotta play patience now. Ram now restocking V8s. The rumors are horsepower wars are coming back, and that when those stocks were, hey, nice. Hey, I'm here for it. Yeah, I'm all for not having too many people on EVs. I almost honestly I wasn't liking the way it was going. I was like, yo, it's not cool if everybody has them. And I was also thinking about like, yeah, I'm like, yo, one day I might want me another combustible engine. And it's like if they're not prevalent and around like that, I'm gonna have a hard time getting one. Okay. Do you know how to read bullish and bearish? Yeah. Yeah, know how to read bullish and bearish candlesticks. Also there is I would say there's a chart I can pull up too. Let's see if I can find the chart I'm looking at. Or find the chart I'm looking for. It's like very low quality. I feel like that's oh, here we go. Oh, where'd it go? Here we go. So it's the one I usually like to see and look at. Give it a nice little screenshot. But yeah, this is it's pretty much your bullish and bearish candles. All right, so looks like okay. Yeah, looks like that was yeah, we could not take that 562. Got smacked right back down. So as of right now, it looks like 562 is resistance on the lower time frame. Uh, could end up going back up, but yeah, that's looking like wait, what'd you say? Are you for teaching that type of thing on the stream? Um, Here, I can try to like pull it up here. Let me see what y'all can actually see. Here, let's see if I can. Oh, wait, hold up. Give me a second. Let's see if we can get this to fit in here. Honestly, when it comes to these charts, yeah, I can try to teach it. I don't really like fully know how to teach it, but I guess like if you, when it comes to teaching or when it comes to doing anything, you just gotta do it. So if I'm gonna get good at teaching this, I guess this is how I do it. So let's see. Wait, hold up. Do you have a favorite candle? Mine is the bullish hammer. Hey Alice, good morning. So I don't really say I have a favorite candle, but I would or if anything, probably gonna be here. Let's look at these. So it would probably either, if I had to say like which setups I like or which ones that I like have the most confidence in, it would probably be like any kind of like one of the hammers. When it comes to their names, I don't typically like call them by their names. I just like, first off, what the wicks tell me is like, hey, there's a lot of pressure in one direction, or that the wick just tells me, hey, there's a battle. There is some kind of battle going on. And then the color of the candle shows me, hey, this is the team that won. And usually the last team that won, like if, for instance, right here, looking at this hammer candle right here, if we take a look at this, what this tells me is, okay, the bears tried to sell it off. We came all the way down to this price down here, but ultimately in the end, the bulls fought hard and they ended up in the green. So what this tells me is more than likely we're about to go on some kind of run, because the bears gave it all they had right here, and what was I going to say? The bears gave it all that they had, and they what's the word? They gave it all they had, but it wasn't enough. The bulls exhausted them, and now the bears need to rest. So the bulls are going to be able to keep pushing some more. All right, so you got this hammer candle, you got this inverted hammer candle. It's like right here, it's kind of the opposite. It's like this one right here. It's like the bulls had it, and then the bears were starting to take over. But then in the end, the bears actually. So the open of the candle was here, came up here. The bears tried to sell off and hold off the bulls, and they kind of did an okay job. Tried to push them down, but the bulls were like, "Yo, we're not done yet. We got more." And more than likely, hey, we're going to keep fighting for that. Hold on 1 second. Let me make sure I'm still keeping up with the chat. I have VTI ETF, but been thinking of getting a REIT ETF and a renewable energy ETF to keep diversified. Do you know offhand? No, I do not. Yeah, no, I don't personally. I used to see the hammer in a downtrend on Nvidia in most all my trades. Hood looks like the bullish three line strike. What time do you see that? Like what time frame do you see that though? So for me, like a lot of these, it's like I like to look either on the 1 hour or the 4 hour for these. Sometimes the weekly. But yeah, you got the hammer, and then I would say the next one I really like is going to be like the engulfing ones. So yeah, pretty much what an engulfing is notice like this whole candle right here is like all of it is bigger than the candle before. So this candle before, this red one, this candle fully fits inside the one that follows it. So this is an engulfing candle, and this will typically, as somebody said it, whereas the green engulfing is the strongest bull candle. Yeah, it's very strong, and sometimes like even off me, just if I just see an engulfing candle, it's not going to be on the. I don't do this on lower time frames, but if I see it on the 4 hour, sometimes I'll just grab whatever. Like if it's bullish, I'll grab a call in that direction just to ride it for the next candle, because I'm like, yo, they're like, in my experience, it's gonna be in the green if I buy it at the money and let it ride the next 4 hours. So that's kind of how I look at it. Morningstar, this is a typical kind of reversal pattern. And then honestly, whenever you get to like this three line strike, rising, three methods and stuff, I'm gonna say I don't. So the three line strike I'm familiar with, but I'm gonna say like these right here, I could probably stand to be more familiar with. Like I don't just have these like where I just look at the chart and I'm like, oh yeah, that's this. So that may be something I can stand to, I guess, work on a little bit more. Four-hour looking at your screen. All right. Oh, okay. I have Robin. Oh, I didn't even realize Robinhood was up. Okay, so yeah, I see what you mean. Hold on. Okay. No, yeah, I see what you mean. Yeah, that's what's going on. So yeah, in that case, actually if you think of Robinhood like being in that at that the three line strike, it is at a level of kind of support right now. So yeah, it very well could continue on. It wouldn't be something that I actually, yeah, you could. So it's like I don't just look at things one way. I don't just look at candlestick patterns. I don't just look at chart patterns. There are a lot of ways to draw the same conclusion. Like it's kind of like doing math. If you're doing like PEMDAS or anything like that, it's like there's more than one. There's one way to do it, but there are many ways that people process things in their head. So you see three line strike, okay, and know, oh, that's typically bullish. Me, I see, okay, there is a level of support here that was formerly resistance. We broke that, and like as I was saying earlier with the Intel, similar to how we got a break and retest, we got a break. The break was over here, and this is us coming back to retest it, and from that retest you can go higher. So we got the break, we got the retest, go higher. We got the break, we got the retest, or well, we got the retest, and now that opens it up for us to go higher. So It's like I don't see things one way. It's like I like when I have many different many different things or many different ways kind of pointing to the same thing. That's what's known as kind of confluence, and that's kind of what draws me to the trades that I consider to be better trades, higher quality trades, is whenever there is some form of confluence. So what is it? So yeah, like going back to Intel, you don't see a three-line strike or anything like that. But what these both have in common are you still got a break of a level. The level on Intel is from over here. It's a little bit closer on Robinhood, but you got a break and you got a retest. And right now Robinhood's getting a retest. So it's like, because looking at a break and retest occurs more, I'm probably looking more for break and retest than I am for three-line strikes. Mahishu, good morning. I love engulfing candle, and my favorite for puts is a hanging man shooting star. Here, let me pull it back up. I don't know these. I don't know these by name. Let's see. Oh, maybe. Hold up. There it is. Let's see. Slip that over there. All right, so yeah, I like any of these with the tail. I don't like these doji candles. Not a fan of them. I always have to like zoom in really close to the chart. I'm like, what's going on? And then I'm like, oh yeah, it's a black line, so okay. But yeah, I don't like dojis. And then yeah. Chidi, good morning. I love to look for double tops and double bottoms with the neckline breakouts. I like those too. Those are typically, they're pretty close to being like sweeps of liquidity for me, and they're kind of in there with the, what is it, the retest as well. All right, so hey, looking at the updated vote, the count for the day, I see we're 60% red, 30% green, 76%. All right, we got 76 likes. I don't know about y'all, but I'm thinking somebody wants to go to El Salvador today. I don't know about you, but it's sounding like it. All right, look at that on the spy right now. What do we see? How is this going to close out? We'll see. But yeah, we definitely got some lurkers. Hey, lurkers are cool. But it's like when we got the lurker non-likers, that's when it's troubles. Janae, top of the morning. Like that I'm comparing the candle. Hey, I appreciate that. Honestly, somebody who asked the question. Who asked the question? Oh, it was IQ So Real. He asked, and it was like, yo, yeah, not much going on right now, so yeah, we can make that happen. So yeah, he asked about it, and I was like, yo, let's look at it. Morning, did you mention my spot strategy for today, or like when you say spy strategy, are you talking about like my go-to, or are you talking about like what I was looking at today? Okay. TSM is doing its thing as predicted. Here, let's check out TSM real quick. Then we can check out the SPY real quick and talk about it. All right, so TSM. Yeah, I was saying I still would like to see it pull back to here. But what is it doing today? Oh yeah, it's good if you got a short on TSM. Good if you got a short. All right, so here, let's take a look at the SPY. All right, so looking at the SPY, let's go. What were we looking at? 30-minute? All right, so we looked at yesterday. Wait, where's yesterday? All right, so they opened over here, and if we go to yesterday, how I had it charted yesterday in the morning, I actually had it on the 15 minutes, so it was slightly different, but the zone pretty much looked like this. And what happened is this was pretty much like an hour before, or not an hour, like 30 minutes before the stream ended yesterday. Had I been patient and waited for what I charted yesterday, we had our entry over here. Ideally, the take profit would have either been right here or over here. And then this was an easy money kind of day trade. So yeah, this was just supply and demand. I remember when we got this break yesterday, I just said, okay. I was like, oh, they left a nice demand zone on the 15 minute. So I said, hey, I'm going to take a call. What was I going to say? I said I was going to take a call at this whenever we pulled back here. But then we pulled back to this line. I was like, yo, is that the pullback? And then it just didn't happen. But yeah, looking at yesterday, we pulled back to demand, and then we just blasted up to just below 470 and like smashed through the target as well. So the last range was here, or from here to here, and now the new current range is I think based off the 1 hour, this is the current range. So we're still, hold on, let's see. Actually, this was the current range. Now this is the new current range. And pretty much I'm now looking at, we're looking at downside because we broke the range and now we're moving to the downside. We're bearish. So what I was looking for is for us to potentially come back up to 564, 565 to short. Now it looks like we're forming a new supply zone actually. So now instead of the supply zone being up here, there is a new one being formed. Here, let me clear this. There's a new one being formed, or there's a new one that's been formed right here. Could go as high as that. But yeah, that's the new supply zone. So ideally, I was looking at this level, kind of seeing that how we do at this level. This could be a good support area of support to kind of go for a call or something. But also we could completely lose it and things could get bad. So hold on. So yeah, pretty much like on a higher time frame, this is, oh, that's why this was drawn down here. So like on a 4 hour, can we yeah, so on a 4 hour, that if you watch that video with the first low, this is the first low. So this would be like kind of the first place you could look for a reversal right here at this level that I'm not sure if we may have touched it or we may be about to touch it, but yeah, this is the first low. And here, let's zoom in a little bit. Yeah, so this is the first low. So this could either be a good level for a reversal to the upside, or maybe we come a little bit lower. We come down to like 556. But now that we cross this, that gives permission for us to go back up to the upside. If we go up to the upside, this would be a better short for me, but also, Oh, it's like everything's supply and demand, and whenever you cross a level, just be ready to react. All right, let's see. Spy test again. Looks like consolidation, like you said. Which way will it? Yeah, which way is it going to go? That's kind of like, because this is a sweep of this is a good trade to the upside, but yeah, we really, really don't know what's going to come of it. Like right now on the 5 minute, hey, as long as we're still trading below this, puts are paying. Tesla has just been hanging at that 224 pretty much all day. Spy just broke. There's one. You're welcome, Julie. That's like I can get kind of long winded on that though. There's a gap to fill on Spy. Looks like it's going back. Okay. Well, yeah. If it wants to go, yeah, let it come on. Let it come on. I would love for my QBTS to come back to life. They're definitely playing the games with that. That doesn't move with the Spy anyway, but okay. Robinhood looks like that retest is not retesting. So I mean it could still retest. We got 4 hours, we still got an hour, but all right, so Spy is breaking that line. So I guess from here we'll see. Let's see what we're looking like on the 4 hour. I mean, honestly, this is looking like a pretty clean break of this trend line that I drew. But also, that's a first low right there. Some liquidity popping off right there. Yeah, they just don't want to make it easy for us. It's like there's too much going on to just be like, oh yeah, this is a clear call or a clear put. Looks like Google is coming back up. What kind of coming back up? Oh no, that's like some short term. Yeah, because I closed out the Google calls that I said I would hold till the end of the month. I'm like, yo, that's not looking good. I'm like, yo, that money can be used elsewhere. So all right, let's see. Dollar General still on the hey, glad to hear you're up, family. Oh, what I just do? All right, let's go back down to a 5 minute, and let's make this. There we go. All right. Honestly, hey, it's on the 5 minute. It's looking like it could be a sweep of liquidity, but that's just on the 5 minute. We'll have to see. Do you have a video on pricing of calls and puts? I would say the closest thing I have is like the theta, like the one about the Greeks. But yeah, let me see. Yeah, I would say that's the closest thing I have. Well, yeah. That's like I would say understand the concepts in this video and you will better understand calls and puts. So yeah, like if you look at the title of that video, got in at 561.86 resistance. Hey, good stuff. Good stuff. Yeah, that's a solid trade. That's probably the best trade that has presented itself today. Right there. Good stuff. Good stuff, Nunat. Yeah, because that's like right there at the top. Yeah. Some good stuff right there. I kind of feel good not being in anything except for QBTS right now. Let me see if Derive has got anything yet. Nope. Derive sees the same thing I see. All right. What's it? So actually, Aaron, I'm in trouble, and the reason I'm not doing anything is because it's not clear. So depending on what time frame you're on, this is an area of support, but we're in a downtrend, and things could get worse. The only reason I would not do a put is because there is some liquidity here that hasn't been swept, and I don't know where it's going. Sometimes you get sweeps of liquidity, and it'll take you higher. Other times, or we could get a sweep of liquidity, and ideally, like this sweep of liquidity over here, I would target this high over here. And should that happen, if I did with that sweep of liquidity target that high, that sends us back to this supply zone that I was targeting and looking at as well. So it's like, for me, the smartest thing to do is to wait. Like I would rather like kind of hold my gains for the year instead of just take chance. It's like, because there's plenty of money to be had, but it's like there's not plenty of money. There's not plenty of certainty for me. So yeah, patience is everything. Patience very much so is. There have been so many times where I have I don't know, so many times where I have seen something, got the trade right, but I wasn't patient enough, either whether it be either on my entry or most of the time on my entry, or just waiting for the setup, or like staying in it long enough that I've missed out on so much because of that. Oh shoot, we're nine away. 9 away from everyone being free from El Salvador today. That's cool. All right, let's see. Yeah, so actually that SPY is looking like, on the 15-minute, it looks like a sweep of liquidity on the 15-minute. And on the 15-minute, it is also oversold. Here, I might try to go for one more day trade. Let's see. See if the premiums have died down at all. SPY. All right. All right. I went for one more 565 call. I paid 38 cents. It's a day trade. Yeah, we'll see if if we get any kind of continuation. And I enter right there. Ideally, we come back into this demand zone or supply zone, and then I can get out. But yeah, we'll see. Let's look at the Greeks on that. And the Greeks, just so y'all know, like whenever I take day trades, the Greeks are usually completely different, just because. Oh, they're completely different just because it's a day trade, and the nature is usually quick. So the delta is currently 15, and the theta is currently 37. So as of right now, the theta is, time is killing a lot more time than the contract actually increasing or the stock actually moving in value. So we'll see on that. Okay. It's like I don't want to wash it too close. Hold on, let's see. All right, okay. Hey, I missed some comment. Okay, we got some fishes swimming here. I did not tap in for Lucky J. Let's see. What we got today? There we go. Let's drop that one in there. I don't think I've ever used that one. All right, so. Oh yeah, thumbs up city. 34 lurkers and still lurking. Hey, that's wild. Put on QBTS at this level looks good. Honestly, I'm just gonna ride what I have, but honestly, I agree. 6 more, 5 more. That just happened to be lack of patience. Jeez, I was right in the direction and everything. I know exactly how you feel, or you know exactly how I feel. I feel you, K. They're playing too much at that 5. No, yeah, I feel you. That's why I went small with the day trade. It's like if it goes, it goes. If not, it's like I went in with that what was it, like $39? I went in with that just because it's like I still have like a little trading itch, but it's like also I'm not trying to just cough everything up. You're allowed 3 day trades per week. Yes, unless you switch to a cash account. So it's like right now I use Robinhood, Moomoo, and I actually have 2 accounts on Robinhood. Like I have a margin or not margin. I have a regular and I have 3 accounts on Robinhood, but 2 that I can trade options on. But yeah, I can do that. So it's like I can kind of do day trades every day if I want to. Even with the margin account, it's just I just hop between accounts. What's the resistance for Tesla? Is it like moving up? Oh, it did kind of move up a little bit. Oh wait, hold up. Where? Oh, wrong chart. Okay, wrong chart. Okay, let's I would say it's looking like about 232 right now, and then above that 234. Let's see. Yeah, but the day trades is going to be for any account you have that's a margin account. It's not just a Robinhood thing. Yeah, we gotta knock them last pins down. Let's go. Y'all, I gotta use the bathroom, so I'll be back. Let's see if I can like put on like a. Here, I'm gonna try to see if I can find like some live news or something to play in the background. Y'all, let me know how the volume is. Let's see. Bloomberg. Okay, I don't like that.
Support for the markets would be the range of 22,400 to 22,450.
I don't think this is for America. All right, we're gonna leave that alone. It's gonna get quiet for a moment, y'all. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. I may need to look at how to fill these spaces in the future, but yeah, I'll be back. Oh, okay. All right, let's see. Okay, let's see. All right. Palantir, a good spot to take my profit. Let's see. Oh, we're back, by the way, in case y'all didn't gather that. All right, Palantir. Did we grab calls on Palantir? What happened with Palantir? Yeah, it had to be calls because they've been riding up. Um, yeah, they're at a level of resistance, but yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Spy is battling at this 560 level for sure. 84 right now. Okay, so what kind of chips everyone likes? I like the garden sauce. Okay, I see y'all over here. Okay, got the conversation popping. Okay, yo, we are one away from being free from Salvador. Okay, one more like from 100. Cool. Somebody bless this man. Low key, I could be the one. I could do it. I could do it. If it comes down to it, I'll do it. He said those pickles be hitting too. Spicy dill pickle kettle. Interesting. Okay. Oh, kettle. Yeah, yeah. It's kind of cool. All right, so yeah, we had like a snack. We had a snack combo. Oh shoot! Hey, we dropped down to 98. Oh, back to night. Okay, y'all playing games now. Okay, I see what y'all doing. Okay. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. Hey, are we going to Salvador or are we not? Hey, it's all the same for me over here. Oh, I see y'all playing the games again. Hey, back to 98. Hey, it's cool. It's cool. Honestly, that's a fun little game. Moving the likes around, like the interaction. Okay, spies. It's looking like it might be. It might have been a sweep, a sweep of liquidity. We'll have to see. Yeah, it'll be nice if we can make our way back up there. Sorry, wasn't for sure if I hit the like. Hey, oh no, I'm not tripping, Breeze. I'm not tripping. We like to mess around with the like. Oh, I definitely just like sprayed this on my face. But yeah, we like to mess with the like sometimes. It's all good. Do not pass go. What does that term mean? Sweep of liquidity. Okay, so when it comes to like liquidity in the markets, so okay, so when it comes to money, assets, anything like that, if you think of anything that you have that has value, like for instance, say you own a house, say you own a car, say you own stocks, say you have cash, the money, the things of value that are easy to get in and out of, the things that are easy to trade, like stocks, you can get the money for that pretty quickly by selling it. Cash, you can get rid of that pretty quickly too. But if you have a house or a car, those are going to be, they're going to take longer to get out of. So the assets that you have that are easy to get out of, those are considered to be liquid. Those are ones that you can get the value out of right away. All right, so whenever there is liquidity in the markets, how you find the liquidity in the markets, it's typically going to be in these long wicks. So what's going on when you see wicks like these is in this instance, when you see wicks to the downside, the price has been sold off. People are selling their shares and they are quickly being bought back up. So this is liquidity just because there is let's just say a quick flow of cash. There's liquidity. So there's liquidity to the top up here, liquidity to the bottom over here, but either way, there is a quick exchange of cash. So this is lower time frame liquidity. This is liquidity on a higher time frame over here. So comes down here, quickly gets pushed back up. So there's a quick flow of cash and a quick change in direction. Now, whenever liquidity is being swept, all it takes for liquidity to be swept is, say you see some liquidity in the past, like for instance, let's just look at this one right here. All we would need in order for this to be swept is the price needs to come up and go past it. So if we take the current price of the SPY and SPY wants to come up and do something like this and then just come off, there are a lot of times when you will just get a sweep of liquidity and then it'll just run in the opposite direction. So that's what it's looking like happen here. So if we go, I don't know what time frame it was on, maybe it was a 4. So yeah, if we look at a 4-hour chart, there was some liquidity over here that hadn't been swept here. I'm gonna get rid of this trend line. There was some liquidity over here that has not been swept. This little, here, let me like, oh, let's put like an arrow there. So yeah, right there was some liquidity that has not been swept. We just came over right now and just barely passed it. What happened here was, hey, we came through, we swept some liquidity. And yeah, ideally, when you get a sweep of liquidity, you get a run in the opposite direction. Let's see if we can actually find some other times that may have happened. And here, let's see. All right, so over here, there was, so we pulled back, we got a run, and then we had this little liquidity back here, right? Say down here. So over here, we ran up, continued to go higher, and pretty much what I'm looking for whenever we get a sweep of liquidity, we come a little bit past it, and then we run up. So typically my minimum target is going to be right there. So the entry would be at kind of the level of liquidity. And what I'm targeting is the previous high before that. So this is my minimum high, but a lot of times if there's a solid trend, it'll go on to make new highs. So my first take profit is going to be right here, or maybe I'll be out of the majority. So that's from 590 to about 595 that I was looking to kind of ride that. But you can actually see that not only did it go there, it ended up running up to like 605. And just kind of looking at it from that point of liquidity, or you can see that like there's old liquidity here, and then there was a lot of, I mean, it was still very liquid here too, because it was like really fast. So a lot of times when you see it happen at that level of liquidity, it seems like it's going slowly right now because this is on a 4-hour chart. But if we look at this, maybe say on the next candle, or even like in the end of 25 minutes, once this candle's over, if we go back over to wherever we just were, if we go back over here and look at where it was actually swept over here, even that end of that first candle, yo, that was a solid move. So that's what we're looking for with sweeps of liquidity. It happens on lower time frames. It is nice when it happens on higher time frames too, but sometimes it's not a sweep of liquidity and it just goes down. But yeah, it's good money. It's good money. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. We hit the 101. I didn't even have to do it myself. Hey, good stuff. Looks like we're free from the depths of Salvador. SRPT clinical company had a death patient. Oh, had a patient's death. I'm just interested to see what that looks like. Let's see. SRPT. That's not good. Here, let's do that over here. Yeah. Hold up. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so one thing I know, I am not going to try to catch a bounce on this. But yeah, it had a patient death, but yeah, how far can it go? We'll see. We'll have to see how that does in the future. All right, here, let's see. Yeah, let's go SPY. Let me look at it on a 4-hour. Yeah, it's looking all right on a 4-hour. Can you go over new level for Palantir, maybe 85, and expect a rundown? Or I would ride the trend line because Palantir, it hasn't like necessarily done anything new. Let's see. Like, are you riding it to the upside? If you're riding it to the upside, I'd probably take like a little 5 EMA. Here, let's so yeah, it's like this is an area it could, but yeah, I would take a look at it on a lower time frame, maybe like a 2, and just like notice it's been like riding this 13 EMA on the 2, and like as long as it's above that, maybe even go 1 since you're like closer, but it's like until you get like a candle close below, you're probably fine. And it's like maybe set a stop loss for a certain level and just like continue to move it up over time. That would probably be one of the most beneficial ways to do it. Oh, I didn't even realize I had it up on the chart below, but it is what it is. D-Wave taking off again. Honestly, I don't like that their name is D-Wave, but their ticker symbol is QBTS. If they here, let me if they come for this 325 level, I'll grab another short. I feel like they're just trapping. Square is 562. I just went in pretty in depth. I would say go back like 5 minutes on this video and you'll kind of see what I was talking about with the SPY, but I'm not going to be able to explain that one again. It's pretty much a sweep of liquidity on the higher time frame, but beyond that, I'm not going to be able to say that. I mean, I got a video for the strategy if you want to watch it, but oh dang, I did not mean to. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to like fully rehash what I said on that. Let's see. Where's the video? Let's see. Yeah, this would be the video for the strategy. There you are. Where did you say? I would say the support on Palantir is now at this 80, 84 kind of level. And if it can get above 85, that might be support. But yeah, we'll ultimately just have to wait and see. Okay, Spy trying to do his thing a little bit. I'm sure the contract hasn't moved or anything, but let's see. I'm up $1 on that Spy. Oh, I'm break even. Up $1. Yeah, we'll see if anything comes of that. What's your expert? It's today. This Spy contract very risky. Honestly, wouldn't recommend it. I'm just scratching an itch right now. It's like I completely understand that I could lose every single dollar that I paid for the contract. And honestly, this setup isn't even like 100% fire. So it's just a trade I took. It's just if it was actually going to give like a nice sweep of liquidity, yeah, it was going to pay well. Yeah, I guess we're just gonna be waiting here. Do we only do one? Are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? All right, let's see. Yeah, still got nothing from Derive. Ooh. Let's see what the weather's feeling like outside. I already went outside once today. It's kind of windy. Hey, what's the weather like in your area? The high is like 80 here in Dallas today. I don't even know. I didn't even know the contracts get that cheap. So it expired today, and yeah, the odds of it being worth anything is it expires today, and the odds of it being worth anything is really low. So yeah, it gets cheap, but it can get cheaper. Like usually the reason they're so cheap is because the odds are low. D-Scurv, you said 33 Celsius here. That's high. I don't even know. That's probably like here, let me do the conversion. I know that's high though, cuz my wife talks in Celsius. Let's see. All right, let's see. Oh, that's not like crazy high. I mean, that's like weather. That's like, yo, I would swim in that, but it's like, I'm not just gonna want to be directly in the sun if I'm not in some sort of pool or something. Let's see. 50 out in Wisconsin. That's cold. Wisconsin. 60 and sunny. High is 73. 102. Oh no, he said 33, right? 33 is 91 Fahrenheit. All right, so I'm gonna stay on till this candle closes. I want to see how what this liquidity ends up looking like, or if it ends up being like. I'm still getting used to Celsius. Grew up with Fahrenheit. Still can't convert on the fly. These curve remind me where you're at. You said, "Oh, it's warm out here. 75 in sunshine." Okay, I'll mess with that. I'll mess with. Okay, Panama. Okay. All right. So a little south of me. Okay. Panama. Yo, these stocks they're a joke. Ooh, 80 in the Virgin Islands. Might have to visit the Virgin Islands. That sounds like a nice place to be. 64 in Stanton, Tennessee. Okay. I think I still need to. There's so many places in America I still need to go. Which RSI indicator? I just use this I click on the indicators tab up here. I type in RSI. Oh wait, hold up. RSI, and it's gonna be the one that says relative strength index. So yeah, that's it. 45 and oh no, I'm not having that. I think last time I went to Ohio, actually, I was gonna say last time I went to Ohio, it was really hot, but it was also like really cold. I think I went to Cleveland. You say, yes, it is. Come on down. I don't need a passport. Am I going to get trapped in Panama if I don't have do I need a passport to come back? I think I might need one to come back. I'm not sure. Especially with Trump in office. He'd be like, yo. He would be like, yo, he said, dang, the river stay. Wait, did you say I river stay my welcome? Oh, overstay my. I got the, depending on which one you got. If you got the first one I got, for sure. But I'm still in the one I got, the one I paid 38 for. 66 in Florida. Okay, hold up. Let me see what it is right now here. Oh, it's 67 here. Okay. Surprised that we're a little warmer than Florida, but okay. South America. You need a pass. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking. I was like, yo, I feel like Trump would be like, nah, no sir, you're not getting in here without a passport. Yeah, he's already trying to like kick some people out. I'm like, yeah, it's like I appreciate the security until I get stuck on the outside. It's like getting a brand new security system for your home, and then I don't know, you don't know how to work it, and now you're stuck outside your home. From here, not the U.S. Virgin Islands, though. Okay. You might get to catch a hop back. You need a passport for Panama, but not the Virgin Islands. Interesting. Wait, aren't they the U.S. Virgin Islands? Let me see. I can tell you one thing that is U.S. Oh, well, actually, it's not U.S. I was going to say the Gulf of Mexico is the Gulf of America. That's crazy. But it still makes sense for it to be America, though, because it's like North America and South America. So it makes sense. It's not Gulf of the United States. So second in, down $6, was up 6. Yeah, hey, we'll see. Yeah, this sweep of liquidity is looking like it may not just be a sweep of liquidity. But yeah, that's kind of how the SPY's been doing. They've been playing games. They might start coming down now. Cause oh yeah, that Palantir is back at support. I would imagine if you were in that, you probably got out now. But we'll see. We still got like 9 minutes. Which EMA do I use? Mostly the 13, but I use the 13, the 48, and the 200. So when I have everything on there, this orange line is the 48, 13 is the blue, and the 200 is the purple one. And if you ever want to edit those, if you don't know how to get yours to look like mine, you would just click on the kind of settings, or if you don't have this up here, you would just double click on the line. And to get it to change, you would, if you want the color to change, you click and pick the color. If you want it to be a 13 where it says length, you would just change it to whatever. So this is the 200. Whereas, oh wait, hold up. Whereas this one is, yeah, the 13. All right, cool. What is a good level for NVIDIA to reach before it starts trending down? NVIDIA already is, well, yeah, I would say it's already like, it looks like it's already beginning to trend down. Oh, that did not click where I was trying to click it. Yeah, but it looks like it's already beginning to trend down. Looks like there's already some trend down action. So this is the chart for NVIDIA. You're more than welcome to look at it, but I would say it's already trending down. But it breaks, if you're looking for like it's like where its current range is, I would say current range is like from here. So I guess it is technically in the uptrend, but you can see this trend line is being respected. So, you know, getting ahead of things, if it comes up here, anywhere touching that line, that might be a good spot to take a short. Let's see. Took 43 profit. Good stuff. What are you hoping for with your 38 call? Hitting a take profit, or just hoping for? I was hoping for some upside, like, cause it's like I think that it'll, like I think it's possible for it to come up here, but I was thinking it would like run from that. So we'll see. We'll see how this candle closes. It's looking like right now it's not going to happen. Cause yeah, it's very much so just consolidating here. But yeah, we'll kind of see. What options did you put right now? I wouldn't necessarily, so I'm not like too big on like sharing these like that, because I don't think it's necessarily a good trade. I'm just trying to scratch an itch. But I grabbed like I think it was a 568 or 5. I don't even know which. I grabbed a call on the SPY. It was it's a 565 that expires today. I would like to see if the SPY can run to 564, but I'm willing to let it kind of expire worthless just to see. It's 80 there. So it's not 80. It's not 80 here. It's 67 currently, but the high is 80 for today. SPY not going. Yeah, it's not right now. Chance of going up past 12. What do you mean? Are you saying like is there a chance of the stock going up past 12? Yeah, there's a chance of it. It's just honestly the odds don't look too good. It's still being slapped down here. What was this zone? What was I drawing here? Oh, that was a supply zone. It looks like we already tested it. Honestly, I think I'm gonna close it out because yeah, it looks like still like nothing. Yeah, I'm gonna close that out because I don't think it's happening. If anything, it's like I lost like $13, but so yeah, I closed it out. Actually, I lost like I think like $15 on that trade. But if anything, I think I just strengthened a muscle to like a getting out of bad plays muscle. Normally, like in the past, I would have held that and just watched it go to zero. So if anything, that I was able to take positivity out of this, even though the trade and the actual situation is negative. I'm going to be upset if it ends up running. I'm going to say the odds of that are pretty low, though, because after it was looking good when it, like, on this candle. But then, yeah, now, like, looking here, now that it's not, like, up here like it was, yeah, it's not looking good, so. Yesterday, Matthew, I got in a call on the SPY in the afternoon and made good profits. The SPY was, yeah, but I'm not gonna be around to stick. I'm not gonna be able to stick around for that just cause I don't know. I have like a lot to do in my days, and it's weird. I don't like work a job, but it's like I'm still busy. It's weird. You got a dog. You said extra long stream? Nah. I gotta work out and I gotta like walk this dog. Make sure he gets out. I'm his only way out to the outside. There's some good weather today. Gotta let homie live it up a little bit. Dr. Modify at top of the morning. Maybe one day. Yeah, one day I'll have to build this up to a point where I have a system. Like right now, I don't really fully have a system. I like maybe one day get like an editor, have like a format. It's like I still want to put out content. I haven't been like really, really putting out content like that. Like I put out a video on to the members, and that's supposed to go public, but I haven't really come up with a title or thumbnail. So I was like, yo, just the members for now. No, so I closed out at Apple this morning. I closed out at 78 cents per share on the apples. And so the only thing I'm in is QBTS. Like I closed out the Google, I closed out everything. Yeah, I feel better not thinking or worrying about anything. Because right now, like broader market-wise, It's like I still see us going up, but I also still see us going down, and it doesn't make sense to me. And it's like I try to like come to the charts with a clear head. My head's not clear. I don't know what's going on, and so it's like I feel like I need to close the trades. It's like they're down, and it's like they I don't know, some of them could come back. The odds are low, but it's like I think it was best for me to close them and be past them, because it's like another thing that y'all don't necessarily have to worry about as much, but it can be kind of like mentally taxing when people are always like, yo, are you still in this? Are you still in this? And like I got people like messaging me and DMing me and all that stuff, and it's like it's like I gotta like step away from things. So it's like a lot of extra like bandwidth just to kind of take on a trade. Oh, okay, they're playing games with this spy. Spy held up at that level. Yeah, I might have to. Yeah, I'm gonna be annoyed if it. Hey, it is what it is. I took a. Hey, it is what it is. If it does go crazy, it does. But I'm gonna say right now, I don't think it will. I think it might be a drop. But there is a gap. There straight up is a gap. We'll see. We'll see what happens. QQQ have a level for a call. It would probably be similar chart wise to the SPY. So here, let's see. So it would probably be up to this resistance level at about like 479. Here, let's go to a 30. Yeah, let's say about a little bit above 479. Probably looking 479.50. Oh, you're saying for a call. I don't fully know that it'll go there today. Like one thing is it doesn't have to go there today. But yeah, it'll probably come back to that 479, 480 level at some point. But it might be waiting for a catalyst. Oh, hold up. They just put in a day trade on Coinbase 13 minutes ago. I just want to add this to the watch list. I'm not going to take it. But here, last thing before we like close out the stream, let's come in. So Coinbase, at the time they suggested a trade, it was at it's already kind of made a decent move. It was at like 181. It was like over here when they suggested it, but I still want to see like what happens. So it was a put expiring this Friday. It is a 172.5. And it was at 295 when they added it. And let's see. The stop loss is 251 and the take profit is 384. So, yeah, that's going to be the last one for the day. And then from there, I'm just going to say, yo, thank you to each and every one of y'all for stopping through. Appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping through. I hope each and every one of y'all's trades go y'all's way. And have a blessed day. And with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Some Asian Guy. Peace out, Dr. Modify. Peace out, Dylan. Peace out, IQ So Real. Peace out, Lucky J. Peace out, Mahishu. Peace out, Dana Ha Music. So that play was I didn't buy it myself. This is a watch list. I added. It was a 172.5 put on Coinbase, expiring on the 21st. All right. Peace out. Peace out, Thizzle. Peace out, Julie. Peace out, D-Skirt. Peace out, Achuhu. Oh yeah. It's not my dog. It's my friend's dog, but yeah. Oh yeah, I think he's definitely been getting better walks than he normally gets for sure. And peace out, see smooth. Yo, y'all have a blessed day and peace.